How to hide photos on Facebook. So, the first step is by opening your Facebook app and then go to your profile found on the upper left of your screen, or you may also have that profile icon right here on the bottommost part of your screen. You may also go to your menu and go to your profile right here. So, before we continue, you may only hide photos that you are tagged in. So, for example, this one. Someone just tagged my account with this photo. So to hide that, you just simply click on the three dots right here on the upper right of that post and then click on hide from profile. However, do take note that this will also appear on um, other places such as the newsfeed of other person or other users. You may also choose remove tag so that um, the post that your friend made, for example, will remove your tag. So again, you have two options, hide from profile or remove tag. So that's it. That's how you can hide photos on Facebook.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.